If you're wondering how to make pop-up text in LearnWorlds courses, you're in the right place. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to add pop-up text to make your courses more engaging and interactive. Plus, I'll also point out a few alternatives at the end, so keep watching. Let's dive in. To create pop-up text in LearnWorlds, you first need to head to the course editor. Once you're inside, select the specific lesson or page where you want the pop-up to appear. Now, this is where things get a little tricky because unlike some other course platforms, LearnWorlds doesn't have a native, one-click pop-up text feature. So, next thing, you'll need to use an HTML block to manually insert your pop-up code. Here's how. Drag and drop an HTML block onto your page. If you're familiar with basic coding, this is where you can insert custom HTML, CSS, and even JavaScript for more advanced options. The third thing, you'll want to add a trigger to your text. You'll be using a combination of CSS for the style and JavaScript to control when the text pops up. For example, you can make the pop-up text appear when the user hovers over an image or clicks a button. Make sure the code is clean and functions across devices. Now, there is a downside to this method. You'll need at least some basic knowledge of coding to make it work well. And it can be a bit tedious to get everything just right. Not to mention, if you're building lots of lessons, doing this for each one could become time-consuming. The fourth thing is using LearnWorlds integrations. While the platform itself doesn't natively support pop-up text, you can integrate third-party tools like Pop-up Builder or other JavaScript plugins that can help you create interactive text that pops up on the page. But even then, there might be some limitations when it comes to design and customization. One important thing to note is that LearnWorlds is definitely one of the more robust platforms for course creation, but it's not necessarily the easiest when it comes to customization options like this one. You might find that the learning curve is a bit steep if you're a beginner. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds like a lot of work. And you're right. If you want something more seamless, there are other platforms that offer this functionality right out of the box without the need for code or complex integrations. Before I wrap up, I want to let you know that I've got an exclusive offer just for you. I've partnered with a platform that provides an extended free trial, and it's even better for achieving your goal of making pop-up text in your courses without needing to code. It has easy-to-use pop-up text options and much more. But don't worry, I've also found some amazing alternatives that have free trials too. They're great for those who want powerful features and ease of use, and you can access these through the link in the description below. So if you're serious about creating high-quality, engaging courses, make sure to check out that free trial. I'm giving you the best deal available, just for our viewers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore the link below for more info and those special benefits.